Widespread reports of flooding in and around the corporate area. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, bring your own energy to the portfolio. Prime Minister tells 13 newly sworn-in state ministers. And later, DPP bids farewell as she debates office. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.